Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this Halo QuickLink low voltage kit, and as you can see it comes with a 1 power supply, 4 light fixtures, and it's an easier way to put lights where you only have 1 power source. So here it is. So that's what it looks like when it comes in. And as you can see, it does come with Canless Downlight. It is dimmable. You can select up to 5 different colors. So let's see. Okay, so here are some instructions how to install it. Here are the controls for each light. So here are the different colors that you can choose from cool white to warm white and a few in between. So you can set up each one in a different color. So let's take one of these out. Here is one. Here's the light, and it's very thin, so if you have drywall, which I don't have any drywall right now, I'm gonna make a cut for in the drywall, and then this goes inside and this pushes it in. It makes it stay there. I like that this is not shiny, it's matte white, and it's very thin, so you don't need a lot of space. And here's the connection. So that's 1, that's 2, 3, and 4. Here is the cable and the power source. So this is kind of big. I thought it was going to be smaller. So to open this up, just put from here. And here you have the power and the ground. So you have all the cables you need here. So the installation is not that complicated. I just kind of read the instructions how this is going to go in there. This seems pretty big, but it folds. So this goes in the ceiling and it folds from here, so you can put it in there and then unfold it inside. And if you want, you can lock it. This goes into your junction box, the cables. And that's that for that side. For the other side, then this, you're gonna need the cap. This is what I just read. This goes all the way at the end. So this goes through here. And this basically just locks in there, and this is just so the end of the wire does not connect to something else. As you can see, there are 2 wires in there. One looks like it's red, the other one's black. So that's what this thing is for, just a cap. Just to know how it works, let's plug it in. I plugged in the other side already, so let's try putting the light up here somewhere. And as you can see, there's nothing else but this, where this is going to go through here, through the middle, like that. There's only 2 ways to put it, this way and that way. It doesn't say which way to put it in there, so let's try like that. And then there's only one way to put this in here. Even if you try to put it in any way, it doesn't go in there. So once you go ahead and tighten this up. That's it. So for this to change the colors, you can change them beforehand, or maybe after you put them in there, you want to take down the light and you reach in and you change the colors. There's the 5 colors. 5, which is the coolest, then a little bit warmer, in the middle, warmer, and that's the warmest. So that's it. That's all you need to do. Give some power to the main source, hide that away, and then the cable, just run it to where you want the lights to be, and you have enough space between here and here. Let's see if it works the other way. And it pinches right here. It pinches the cable. That's how it works. So let's put it where it pinched the last time. And let's put this back. And I guess it doesn't matter how you put it in there, it works. Actually, this way works better. I'm moving this thing around and it's not turning off like the other side did. So, just so you know, the black cable goes here, and the red one goes towards this. That's how it works better on mine. I like that it's very thin, easy to put it in there, take it out. So there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put that up on my space that I need. I have a crawl space where there's only one junction box, and I want more light because only one light bulb doesn't work. And I don't want to run the electricity around because I don't use that space much. I only store stuff in there. So this is very convenient because I don't have to run a lot of cables, just this cable. I'll have enough light for the time being. It works well. So as you can see, change the colors. And that's it. I hope this video helps you in some way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.